Remained as a professor in this college, I request him to kindly share his views on the diocese. Mr. J.S. Sarkis.
Very good afternoon to all. I was here as a student in 72 to 75. After doing diploma, I did my degree. Then I did ME from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. I met three places, Nilokadi, Ambala and Chandigarh, 3 times each. 3 times Ambala, 3 times Nilokadi, and I retired as joint doctor from Technical Education, Haryana, Chandigarh. I want to share 2-3 real things. I will not give the name of student and their professor. In my time, there were tough rules. रिपेयर का कोई चक्कर नहीं था, रिपेयर कंपार्टमेंट का 2 बार नहीं पास हुआ, गो आउट from diploma. So we entered 40 students in first year and we were only 12 in the final year. तो एक कुलीग था मैथमेटिक्स की, उसकी कंपार्टमेंट 2 बार में नहीं क्लियर हुई, तो उसको ये लगा मेरी लाइफ खराब हो गई है इसके कारण, मैथ के कारण। टीचर भी यही था। तो उन दिनों जॉब बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाती थी मैट्रिक को, एंड ही वाज कंडक्टेड विद हरियाणा रोडवेज। By chance that professor was at Ambala कैंप और उसने हरियाणा रोड चंडीगढ़ की टिकट ली हुई थी और वो दूसरे डिपो का था दैट। तो उसने अंदर टिकटें चेक करी कि आपने क्या किया, टिकट चंडीगढ़ डिपो के लिए मेरे बस में बैठ जाओ। भाई क्या फर्क पड़ता है, पैसे तो हरियाणा को जाना। क्या ये तो नहीं, इतना ही फर्क पड़ता है जितना अल्फा में और बीटा में। फर्क तो वो है जो अल्फा और बीटा में है, जब मैं आपके पास वहां था। ये था स्टूडेंट लाइफ की रियल बात, इट इज रियल। सेकंड, आई मेट ड्यूरिंग जॉब, आई वाज टेकिंग वावा इन दिस मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट। बाइक से बुला लेते कई बार, क्योंकि मैंने हर लेवल पे काम किया, IIT में, पॉलिटेक्निक में, अभी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में लगा हूँ कुरुक्षेत्र। तो बाई चांस we want to check the confidence of students, कि कितना कॉन्फिडेंस है ताकि ये रियल वर्ल्ड में काम कर सके। 3 स्टूडेंट्स थे, मैंने कहा पहले को, व्हाट इज दिस नट, मेरे पास बोर्ड था, क्या सर जी नट हो सकता है, माँ ध्यान से देख क्या है, दुकान नटी है। दूसरे ने कहा मतुल का भी ये नहीं बता सकता, कैसी नटी है, जिसने ठीक कहा। तो ही वाज आल्सो नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट। तीसरे को बोला विल यू टेल इट, है तो नटजी पर लगता बोल्ट है। मतलब उसने भी पल्ला झाड़ लिया जिम्मेदारी से, एंड इट इज हैपनिंग इन गवर्नमेंट जॉब कि पल्ला झाड़ो और चलो, ठीक है ना। तो इस टाइप की इंसिडेंट्स लाइफ में हुई कुछ, और भी वहाँ बहुत एग्जाम्पल है जो इस स्टेज से जाना कहने को अच्छा लगता, क्योंकि आई वाज स्टूडेंट हियर। लाइफ में कई बार अब हमने क्या करना है, यंग टीचर्स ने, वी हैव टू टेल द स्टूडेंट्स टू रिस्पेक्ट द कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ योर इंस्टीट्यूट और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, सो दैट दे मे बी सक्सेसफुल, बिकॉज दिस इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ MNCs, मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में या वर्ल्ड में इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है। आर यू रिस्पेक्टिंग द कंपनी और नॉट, विच इज वेरी लेस इन आवर इंस्टीट्यूशंस। यू सी स्विच बोर्ड तोड़ देंगे, कोई और नुकसान कर देंगे, दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड बिकॉज दिस इज मॉनिटर्ड इन प्राइवेट सेक्टर, एंड दे ऑब्जर्व यू फॉर 2 days, 1 month, 20 days। आफ्टर दैट दे टेल यू कि आपकी 467 या 4000 तनख्वाह बनी है, मैं पीएन भेज रहा हूँ गेट पे, डोंट कम बैक। तो यू मस्ट ट्रेन योर जनरेशन विच इज कमिंग दैट यू मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट द कस्टम्स ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सिमिलरली यू प्रिपेयर देम, young generation should prepare them, young lecturers, to innovate so that values may be created. That is again a requirement, because an innovation is taking place. Innovation is taking place everywhere in every field. People who are innovating the things, who are doing the things in a better way, their requirement is very huge. There are various examples. I visited a celebrity fashion in Madras. My son was showing me the factory. पापा इसको देखो, ही बड़ी पुरानी बात है 2002 की, 2000 या 4 की है, he is getting rupees 70,000 and he is illiterate. Then what is his skill now? Sir, he is cutting about 90 pants with the cutter at a time. He is so skilled person. This means skill is to be developed, in which we are losing a lot. In engineering colleges or in polytechnic also, we are not stressing on the skill. It has become the habit of students that we clear the papers, then we will do something, or we will be there, nobody will lagi jayegi. But we have to see it, we have to think it, that skill is to be developed, because that is the need. Because moreover, privatization is taking place day by day, and they require work. In real, they require work. Government jobs are not no more. In that fashion in which we were getting it. As I passed out, I was having 3 jobs at MES, Simla, this Desu, Delhi, and Bianda Haryana. But I chose because I was thinking that I should study more. I joined factory first. I was in a factory, Lal Electrical and Mechanicals in 75-76. After that, I joined this technical education. So there is a very good experience of factory. I learned there many jobs, just like planers, cutters. We were not having CNC, this type of machines, but we did a lot of work in that factory. And life, we were having about 42 workers. Life was very disciplined. I remember it. They are running a school also, this Chaminavatika school, and Lal, and they are having other ventures also in India. So I learned many things from the factory, which helped me later on to teach my students in polytechnic and at engineering level. I taught in Nilokheri also, then I taught in Ambala also, remained 3 times as joint director, और tough job थी examination. So I retired joint director from examination branch at Chandigarh. I think this is sufficient for today. Anil ji, thank you very much.
And welcome respected sons and junior students. Myself, Ram Kumar, pass out 82 सभी ने अपना अपना इवेंट सुनाया, मैं ये सुनाता हूँ। आर्किटेक्चर में डिप्लोमा में एडमिशन तो ले लिया, जब रैगिंग मेरी हुई तो मैंने पढ़ना ही छोड़ दिया। तो फिर फैमिली मेंबर्स ने कहा कि पढ़ो, तो आप सीनियर्स की कृपा से आई एम वर्किंग एज डिस्ट्रिक्ट टाउन प्लानर क्षेत्रा एंड अम्बाला टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लानिंग हरियाणा। इट इज़ ए वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड प्रोग्राम, बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं सभी का थैंक्स करता हूँ जिन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया। और फर्स्ट टाइम क्योंकि ये हो रहा है और अगर ये हर साल होगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। सभी के दिलों को खुशी मिल रही है, पुरानी यादें आ रही हैं, लाइफ चलती जा रही है लेकिन यादें वही पुरानी जवानी आ रही है। थैंक्स ए लॉट।
Thank you very much, Mr. Ramkumar. Now, there are few Armenis who are interested to come on the dais to share their views. They are kindly invited. Please please one by one. We have very limited time right now. We want to just honor the Almiris who have come from the far off distances, so that we have to see the shortage of the time. So we have another 5 to 7 minutes. Any Almiri who wants to come over here to share on the dais.
दोस्तों सभी को नमस्कार, मेरा नाम चंदा राहुल है। I belongs to this GPA। 87-90 में मैं I was here। आप सबने बहुत कुछ सुना यहाँ पे, सभी ने अपने अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किए। सिर्फ मैं 2 मिनट में अपनी बात खत्म करूँगा। हरियाणा के अंदर 4 गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अपने होते थे यहाँ पे, उसकी आज की डेट में पढ़ के बहुत सारे हो गए, प्राइवेटाइजेशन हो गया। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, जो GPA है, हम सब वी बिलोंग्स टू दिस GPA, उसकी वैल्यूज़ को हम किस तरीके से बढ़ाएं। आज हम इतने सालों के बाद यहाँ पे सब इकट्ठा हुए, वी हैव सो मेनी एक्सपीरियंस पीपल्स विद अस। नाउ व्हाट आई वांट, दिस इज माय मेरे दिल से मैं चाहता हूँ कि हम अपनी अपनी एक्सपीरियंस को इस तरीके से GPA के लिए वापस से डालें, ताकि हरियाणा के अंदर, इंडिया के अंदर हम अपनी GPA की अलग से पहचान बनाएं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you very much, sir. For the information of all Almiris, we are developing a website, and in that website we have a link for the Almiris. What we intend to do is, we are going to put all the Almiri information on that link, and we can share always. For the moment, if anybody is interested to share his experiences or give any suggestion regarding any of the further improvement or the advice which we can endorse in the Almiri program next year, or in between we can just make certain changes in the educational system or the GPA system. His suggestions and advices are most welcome. That he can just send us on the mail address given. That is, one mail address is
gpambala@hry.nic.in, and another one is almiri.association2015@rediffmail.com, and mine as a TPO email address is tpo.gpa@rediffmail.com. So on those email links, on those emails, you can send your valuable suggestions, and we'll try to endorse those valuable suggestions, whatever the mails come in our system. And I definitely, I am very sure that this will certainly bring improvement in the many of the further programs and tie-ups with the Almiri. Almiris are very important for us, and they decide Almiris where they reach in the life. What is their success stories? What is their case study? We can always put up with the new guys in our polytechnic, and that can be very helpful. The Almiri of this college decides the structure of this institute. I am very sure. Now I again request Mr. N.K. Chaudhary, who is here on the queue. Mr. Arun Chaudhary, son of Shri N.K. Chaudhary, one of our staff member over here. So he wants to share the dice with you. Mr. Arun Chaudhary.
Thank you, Odisha. Thanks a lot. So I remember the day when it was first, it was declamation contest. So those were the days when we were in first year, and then it was a ragging season. So I think some of you might be remembering that lecture as well. So I was so nervous, but I was focused to say something on the stage. And truly speaking, I was holding the desk like this, and my legs were shivering, but I wanted to say something, and so this is I would say, after a long period, I'm sharing my thoughts with you, and how important was the journey with GPA here. So for 3 years, so our principal R.K. Gupta was there, I think all remember. So his focus was that not only study, we should have the overall development, and how we did that. So whenever we think back down the memory lane, so what we remember that how we were participating in sports activities, what the practical things we were doing, and those things have taken us forward and helped us to be successful in our fields. And one of the most memorable experience I would share with you was when everyone has a project in third year. At that point of time, it was 89. At that time, nowadays we have seen the exercising machineries, lot of exercising machineries with so many attachments are there. I think it is still there. So there was only one machine in War Heroes Memorial Stadium in Ambala Kent. So Punjab Sports had gifted it. So we used to go there, and one time that thought came into our mind that we will do it ourselves. And thankfully we were having so much of practical experience, and we have all the kind of help from our teachers. So we did all the things ourselves. We bought all the material.